Hello friends, let us see one numerical on ideal gas. So this is the problem statement in front of you. So I will read the problem statement first. A perfect gas undergoes a cycle comprised of three processes. It is first compressed isothermally from 1 bar and 27 degrees Celsius to 1/8 of its initial volume. The energy is then added at constant pressure, increasing the temperature of gas, and the cycle is completed by isentropic expansion to original conditions. Take Cp is equal to 1.25 kilojoule per kg Kelvin, R is equal to 0.5 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Calculate maximum cycle temperature and pressure. Also find the net work transfer per kg. So this is the problem statement in front of you. So we have to solve this problem by using different thermodynamic equations. So let us first make a list of a given data. What exactly given in the problem? So initial conditions, state 1, P1 1 bar, that is equal to 100 kilopascal. Initial temperature T1 27 degrees Celsius, that is equal to 300 Kelvin. State 2, that is isothermal process is there, T2 is equal to T1, V2 is equal to 1/8 of V1. State 3, P2 is equal to P3. So let us first draw the PV diagram for a given description or given system. So cycle starts from 1 to 2, follows the isothermal law, that is temperature remains constant throughout this state. Heat added or energy added from process 2 to 3 with constant pressure. Then gas is expanded isentropically from 3 to 1 with PV to the power gamma is equal to constant. So this is the law for the process 3 to 1. So this is the PV diagram for a given problem. So let us see how we proceed now. First let us calculate CV value, that is specific heat at constant value. CV is equal to Cp minus R. So Cp is known to us, R is also known to us. So calculate Cv, that is 0.75 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Gamma, it is the ratio of Cp by Cv, adiabatic index, that comes 1.667. So we have to find out the work done during each process. Work done per kg in isothermal process, that is W12 by the equation P1 V1 log of V2 by V1. So this P1 V1 can be replaced with RT1. So keep all the known values in this equation. So W12 is come minus 312 kilojoule per kg. Now P2 is equal to P1 V1 by V2. P2 is equal to 8 bar. So keep all the known values here. So this is the maximum pressure in the cycle. Therefore maximum pressure as P2 is equal to P3. So P3 is the maximum pressure, or P2, that P2 process 2 to 3 is the constant pressure process. So P2 is equal to P3 and maximum pressure is 8 bar. Now consider the process 3-1 to calculate the maximum temperature in the cycle. So T3 by T1 is equal to P3 by P1 to the power of gamma minus 1 divided by gamma. T3 is equal to T1 into P3 by P1 raised to gamma minus 1 divided by gamma. So T3 value 689.4 Kelvin. So this is the second answer we have got. So here we have to use different thermodynamic relations for particular process to calculate the unknown figures. So W23, so work done in a process W23, that is R in bracket T3 minus of T2. So W23 194.6 kilojoule per kg. Now work done per kg during isentropic expansion. W31 is equal to R in bracket T1 minus T3 divided by 1 minus gamma. So W31 291.75 kilojoule per kg. So here we have to memorize all the thermodynamic relations, that is work done, then different temperatures and pressure equations. So this is very important to memorize all the thermodynamic relations at appropriate time. Now net work transfer in the cycle. W net is equal to summation of all the work done. So W net comes 174.34. So in this way we have to find out the given requirement. So here main theme is to utilize the different thermodynamic relations with proper approach. Okay, thank you.